Bismillah. Guys, I'll tell you something. I received my first aura from a stranger, a complete stranger. So I'll tell you that today is the 18th of May, 2025. Yesterday, I was just sitting with my thoughts, wondering why am I not seeing the results I want? Why is my risk, provision not flowing like I need it to? Why do I feel like something is off? Sometimes the answers don't come from a book or a coach or a seminar. Sometimes they come from within, from Allah planting something in your soul when you're finally quiet enough to listen. So I sat, reflected, and I found three things I need to do differently. Three pillars that I believe, from the depths of my heart, will change everything. Number one, prayer. Not just the salah we are obligated to do, but the real, raw, dua. Deep conversations with Allah. I said to myself, I'm going to increase my connection with Him. I'll pray 100.5 more times if I need to. Why? Because if I'm not receiving, maybe I'm not asking right. Or maybe I'm not present when I ask. So now I'm putting my heart on the line in every sujood. I'm not just ticking a box. I'm showing up like someone who knows only Allah can open doors that no man can close. Number two, my habits, my actions, my lifestyle. What am I feeding my body? What am I feeding my mind? Who am I surrounding myself with? How am I spending my day? Am I building myself or breaking myself? You see, blessings come when you're ready. And I had to be honest, I wasn't ready. Not mentally, not emotionally, not spiritually. And how can I ask Allah for more when I haven't even prepared a home for His barakah? So I started preparing, cleaning my heart, being more intentional, protecting my energy. Because let's be real, our dreams are not for the weak. If you want something massive from Allah, you have to be willing to carry it, to be responsible for it, to maintain it. And that takes discipline, that takes alignment, that takes taqwa. Number three, generosity. And not just giving when it's easy, giving when it's hard, giving when it feels like you barely have anything left, but still choosing to give because you believe in Allah's promise. I told myself, I want to be someone who gives to my family, even if I don't have a lot, who gives with love, not with ego. And the moment I had that intention, Allah showed up. I'm not even lying to you. A complete stranger, someone I've never met in my life, ordered 6 candles from me, just like that. Subhanallah. You want your risk to increase? Reconnect with your family. Check on them. Spend time with them. Spend on them, even if it's small, even if it's just lunch. Don't wait till you're a millionaire. Allah looks at the intention before the amount. Your provision is tied to your ties. Don't cut off your roots and then wonder why you're not growing. Listen, your family might not be perfect. They might have hurt you. They might not understand you, but call them anyway. Send that voice note. Buy that gift. Visit your parents. Hug your siblings. Give without keeping score. That's where Allah puts barakah. Because success without peace is just noise. Wealth without connection, it's just numbers. Growth without gratitude, it's empty. I'm done chasing things the hard way. I'm done trying to force what can only be granted by the one who owns it all. And I want you to sit with this too. Ask yourself, am I showing up in prayer like someone who's desperate for Allah's help? Am I preparing myself daily like someone who believes the blessing is already on the way? Am I giving like someone who knows Allah never lets a hand go empty? Wallahi, things can change fast. It just takes one sincere intention, one honest night of dua, one moment of showing up differently. And when it comes, because it will, make sure you're someone who can carry it with gratitude, not arrogance, with generosity, not fear, with faith, not ego. So here's to change. Here's to aligning ourselves with the one who sees us, hears us, and never forgets us. Today is May 18th, 2025. Mark this date. A shift happened, and from here forward, it's consistency, discipline, and real trust in Allah. Let's build something real. And let me leave you with this. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Start, and the moment will perfect itself. Allah doesn't bless potential. He blesses movement. He blesses the step you take, even when you're scared. He blesses the prayer you whisper, even with a broken voice. He blesses the money you give, even when your pockets feel light. So stand up today with intention. Tell yourself, I am ready, ready to receive, ready to change, ready to serve. You don't need a sign. This is your sign. And once you decide, walk like your dua is already accepted, because it is, in ways you don't even see yet. This is your time. Bismillah. Let's go. And remember, Allah is never late. His timing is perfect, even when it tests your patience. Sometimes the delay is the blessing, because it's in the waiting that you're being shaped. Your character is being refined, your heart is being softened, your trust is being tested. And when you finally receive what you've been asking for, you'll realize you didn't just get the thing, you became the person who could handle it. So don't rush the process. Embrace it. Every prayer you make, every effort you put in, every time you choose to keep going, it's not in vain. Allah sees it all, and He rewards in full. Hold on tight. Your time is coming. Just make sure you're ready when it does.